Well, hello YouTubers, welcome to the channel. And today it's a very special day. We're going to be unboxing a radiator guard. So stay tuned. Hello. So post office finally delivered my bargain radiator guard for my 2023 Diavel V4. Now the reason why we do need a radiator guard, these small fins have a tendency of getting banged by rocks and chips and whatever lays on the ground and gets kicked out by this tire. On the Street Fighter, the radiator guards are already installed, so we don't have to worry about it. But this guy still going to have to be done. Now, we're going to take care of the installation video later after we get done with unboxing. Now, before I even get to that, I want to point out that we have already installed several upgrades. We swapped out the original mirrors for these aftermarket mirrors. We also installed the quick tank fill. Very nice. We also installed this wireless charger and a phone holder. All of this has been wired in. As you can see, you can't even tell. It looks perfectly stock. And one of the other upgrades was this tail tidy. As you can see, it looks nice and slick. It incorporates very, very nicely into the bike, and I think it looks extremely well. So let's get to unboxing. Okay, so now since we're inside, we can get to it. I've been waiting for this unit to come in, and I have to tell you that Postal Service, it's not the best. It took longer for the Postal Service to get this package to me the last 10 miles than it took for it to come from wherever it was shipped from. I think it came from China. And I did order this from Amazon, and I will link to this in the description. Now the benefits of ordering it that way was nearly half the price. So and since I started ordering all of these parts before I even got the bike, I did have a little bit of a buffer. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's see what we have in the box. And as expected, this actually looks very solid, and you can tell that it has Diavel V4. Very exciting. It's definitely metal. It's got these grommets, so that's perfect. And as you can see, this is just the upper piece. Now there's already a lower piece on there. However, there should be a lower piece for the oil cooler here as well, and it is perfect. And the reason why they include both is so they both match. If we kept the original one on the bike, there would be a mismatch, and I don't think anybody would want to ride like that. So this is perfect. In the next video, I will take you guys step by step through the process of installing it. So stay tuned, and until next time, thanks for watching. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe for more content.